In this video, I'll guide you through how to download a folder from Google Drive, whether you're backing up your files, moving them to another device, or just want an offline copy. This process is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through each part slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Google Drive in your web browser. You can do this by typing the Google Drive address into the address bar at the top of your browser, or by going through your Google Apps menu if you're already signed into your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one. Once Google Drive loads, you'll see your folders and files in either a grid or list view. Next, locate the folder you want to download. You can scroll through your drive to find it, or use the search bar at the top to type the folder's name. If you store a lot of content, searching can save you a lot of time. When you see the folder you need, take a moment to confirm it's the correct one by checking the folder name, and if needed, double-clicking it briefly to see what's inside. Once you're sure it contains the files you want, go back up one level so you're viewing the folder itself, not the contents. Now, right-click on the folder. If you're on a Windows computer, use the right mouse button. On a Mac, you can either use a two-finger click on the trackpad or hold the Control key and click. This will open a context menu with several options related to that folder. Be careful to right-click on the folder name or its icon, not on empty space, so you get the correct menu. From that menu, find and click Download. The option might be a little lower in the list, so if you don't see it immediately, just glance down the menu until you spot it. As soon as you click Download, Google Drive will start preparing your folder for download. Because a folder can contain many files and subfolders, Google Drive doesn't download it as is. Instead, Google Drive will compress the folder into a zip file. This is an archive format that bundles everything together, making it easier and faster to download. You might see a small notification in the bottom corner of your screen indicating that it's compressing, especially if the folder is large. The time this takes will depend on how many files are inside and how big they are. After the compression finishes, the zip file will download to your computer. Most browsers will show the download progress at the bottom or top of the window. By default, it typically goes into your downloads folder unless you've changed your browser's settings to ask where to save each file. Once the download is complete, you can open your downloads folder and look for a zip file with the same name as your Google Drive folder. To access the files inside, you'll need to extract or unzip that zip file. On most modern operating systems, you can do this by double-clicking the zip file and then dragging the folder inside to wherever you want it, such as your desktop or documents folder. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully downloaded a folder from Google Drive to your computer.